Hey everyone, it's Miwako and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a mini haul and it's no other than Totoro. I have a mini haul of Totoro and I'm so excited because I love Totoro so much. And I got them from Hot Topic online. I never purchased from Hot Topic online before, so it was something new and something exciting. I'm gonna let you know how much each item costs, and because I used some coupons, I'm gonna let you know how much did I save. Without any more waiting, let's check this box out. I already opened it because I'm curious. This arrived like in a week or a week and a half. I wanted to get things online because it was more expensive at the store compared to the online store. They had like 20% or 10% off if you buy them online, so I had to get it. So I ordered one dress that I have never tried before, so I don't know how it's gonna fit. Hopefully it fits. Two items, which is a purse and a wallet that I've been wanting to get from the store, but because I saw them more cheaper online, I decided to get them online. I used some coupons, so it cost me a lot less, which it was very exciting. So I'm gonna try first the dress. We have some papers over here. Also, something that I like is that I got few more coupons too. I got a 30 bucks hot cash when you spend 60, $15 off in your next $50 purchase, and $10 off in your next in-store purchase. So this is pretty nice. So first, the dress. I got this very cute lilac or slash lavender Totoro dress. This is a Totoro inspired dress. I was searching on the website and I wanted to get other dresses, but they were not available in my size. So I found this one, which I like a lot because it's my favorite color, plus it was inspired by the movie, so I really like it. I got this in size large. The price online or at the store, it is $44.90. I was not gonna purchase this dress at that price, so I used coupons. So I really have no idea if this is gonna fit me because I never had a dress from Hot Topic. So let's check this out. I'm gonna put my measurements, I think, over here so you can have an idea if you are interested on getting this dress. So it's like a, I guess it's like a summer type of dress. It's called the Totoro ruffle dress and it's a licensed product, which is awesome. Yeah, even the dress says large, made in USA. It's very cute. I don't like this. I have some thread going on right here. I think the dress is gonna fit me, hopefully. So it looks like this. Woo! It looks very cute. Oh my gosh, I like it. The reason why I got it is because it's elastic, and I got a large because it has elastic, so hopefully it fits me with no issue. If not, I might have to change it in the store for an X large, and hopefully they have it. If no, I might have to send this back. Yeah, that would suck. But it has, this part is also stretchy, and it has spaghetti straps and they are adjustable, so that is nice. And I don't think it has pockets. Yeah, it has pockets. That's another reason why I got it. It has pockets. That is so cool. And the fabric seems to be very thin. Yep, it's very thin, and I think it's a little bit see-through. I don't know if you can tell, but I can see my hand over here. It doesn't have a lining, which sucks. I will have like this dress to have at least some lining since the fabric is so thin. But yeah, I really love the color. I hope it fit me. I don't have many clothing with ruffles. I feel like it looks pretty cute on this dress. It gives it a nice, cute look. I had to take a moment and iron this dress because it was so wrinkled. It was very ugly, and I did not want to do the same thing I did with my Forever 21, that I didn't took a time to iron everything. So I wanted to show you how the dress really looks. It's so cute. I wanted to show you the pattern. We have the cat bus, we have Totoro, mini Totoro, we have the suit sprites, and it's everywhere. I really love the design. We have a lot of cute leaves, and we have flowers. I really love the design all over the dress. It's very cute, and it's in both sides. It's just so adorable. So let's go ahead and try this dress. So here we have the dress. As you can see, it fits me. I was worried that it was not gonna fit me, but it does. I still have enough room because it has elastic, so you can see here. So I don't think that I had to pick a size X large. I guess that if I didn't want to, I guess, fit it a little bit tight on me, I would have picked a size X large. But I feel great on this large size. What I'm not used to is this. I'm really not used to it because I feel like if I keep moving, they will just like keep coming like this. So it's kind of annoying. I keep adjusting these straps, but I cannot find a way to make this like don't come like this. I also ironed the dress because it was very wrinkled, and now you can see better how it looks. I have no idea if the dress is supposed to be like this. Like this, it looks more cuter than compared onto the website. On the website, the girl is modeling like this, but I don't feel like it looks extremely cute. I don't know about you, and it looks a lot longer because I'm short. So I don't know about you, but I really like how it feels. This is very breathable, and I really like how it feels and how it moves. Like the fabric moves. It's so cute. And of course, I gotta say, I love the pockets. They're the best. I don't know, I just like it a lot. I think you gotta wear the dress like this because I don't like showing the elastic that much. I don't think that it looks that great. I don't know. What do you guys think? Do you like the dress? So the next two items are a wallet and a huge handbag. But I'm gonna show you first the wallet and for last the bag because it's so huge and it's so cute. So the first one, as I said, is the wallet. It's so adorable. On the store it was 20 bucks, but on the website it had 20% off. So yeah, I have to get it on the website. It is this cute. Totoro wallet. Like, oh my god, it's so cute. I just noticed now that I think, oh my gosh, I noticed now that it has the same pattern as this dress. Yeah, oh my gosh, yeah, it's called Totoro Zip Around Wallet, and it looks like this. Super cute. It's a lot longer than I thought because I did not remember how big it was, but it's a lot bigger than the wallet that I have, that is actually Totoro too. And on the back it also had the same design. Let's take this out. It has this cardboard on the wallet. It says Studio Ghibli Her Universe, so this is the Her Universe collection, I will say. It's a licensed product. On the inside, it's just plain black. I'm kind of disappointed on that because I thought that it was gonna look a little bit cuter on the inside. It can carry around 6 credit card over here, coins in the middle, 3 more cards. You have 1 space so you can put your ID. It has like a plastic cover. Yeah, that is the wallet. But I really like the colors. It's very cute. It's pastel, but I like this brown color. I like it because it looks very forest type of theme, and I found that super cute. And it honestly even looks cute with this dress together. It's just so adorable. Now let's take a look at the bag. It's so big that it's the same size as the box, so that's huge. So here we have it. It's so amazing. I finally have it. You have no idea how many times I went to Hot Topic and I just like kept staring at this bag. Like I just kept saying I need to have it. I need to have it. And the backpack that I've been using lately is very dirty and also breaking, so I gotta need a new backpack or new handbag. Oh my gosh. It's so huge, but I love it. It's so cute. Oh my gosh. As the wallet is the same design, but in a handbag edition. Also, this is not only a handbag, but this is a shoulder bag. Let's take this out, please. Woo. The original price of this handbag was $50 at the store, but again, this cost me 20% off. Here we have the tag. Here we have the zipper. I don't know, like first I'm gonna show you, I really love the tag over here. It says my neighbor Totoro. The fabric feels very nice. I don't think this is like real leather. I don't think so, but it feels very nice. I'm glad that it didn't came like damaged in the box. It came in perfect conditions, so that's nice. Let's open it up. We have the shoulder strap, which is nice. A little stuffing. Too many stuffing. Oh my God. Ooh. So here we have it. It's pure black, but you have a place here to put some stuff, and it has a zipper with a bag, so you have more room to put some stuff, and it's quite deep, like I guess this deep. Quite a lot of room. Let me put this shoulder strap. This is actually the first handbag that I ever had from Hot Topic too, so it's very exciting for me. So cute. Also, of course, the wallet to match it. Even with the wallet, you still have a lot of room. So here we have it. It's so cute. I really like how it feels. It's so huge, it's so cute, and I feel like it really matches with this dress. I feel like it's the perfect length too. It's not too big for me, and you can adjust this strap, which is also nice. I also like it because I can put it across instead of having it just like this. I can keep playing around with the strap and make it a lot more longer, so that is also very cool. So guys, this was my video of today. Do you love Totoro? Which one was your favorite item? The wallet or the handbag or this dress? Which one was your favorite? My favorite, I mean, all of them are so cute and all of them has the same pattern, but oh my god, I gotta say, like, the three of them are just so cute. I never had a dress like this. I never had a handbag like that, so it's kind of hard. I just have to say that all three of them are equally cute. It's Totoro, it's cute, and I love it. Do you own any Hot Topic handbags, or do you own any Totoro handbags? Let me know on the comment below. Do you want me to keep buying from Hot Topic? There are other handbags that I really like, but I also want to get outfits too because I just love Hot Topic, and a lot of you guys really like my pastel haul video that I made from Hot Topic. Maybe for the next time it will not be exactly pastel, but an overall haul from Hot Topic because they have so many cool stuff. They have so many cool stuff, and I have some coupons to spend. So let me know in the comment below what type of thing do you want me to buy for my next haul. So guys, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to also follow me on Instagram because I tend to post pictures and I tend to write stories so you can know about me or the upcoming updates about my channel. And also don't forget to hit the bell button because so that way you don't miss any of my videos. It's very important for me. So this is everything for today. I hope you like it, and I will see you guys next time. Bye bye.